Welcome to Add with Fun. Today, we're going to learn 15 English phrases that sounds weird, with Ain, James, Michael and our special guest James's mother-in-law. Make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn more. Number 1.
James, how do I look?
Fine feathers make fine birds.
Thank you.
James.
Ha ha.
Why?
Fine feathers make fine birds means beautiful or expensive clothes may make the wearer seem more impressive than is really the case.
Number 2.
George likes to teach you more.
I can't believe he likes you.
I'm thinking of taking up boxing classes.
What's that got to do with the price of onions?
Onions? Are you talking about inflation?
No, Michael.
What's that got to do with the price of onions means to respond to a statement that is not in line with the general conversation. The phrase has many variants including the price of fish, price of cheese or the price of tea in China.
Number 3.
I am not confident in the exams.
You need advice. I will ask James to talk to you.
I like that flower vase. Oh my, what have I done? Ain will kill me.
Michael. Don't worry, buddy. You should think there are people who'd like to see me fail, I know that. But I'm not afraid, I won't drop the ball.
I'm sorry. But I didn't drop the ball. Only the flower vase.
Michael. To drop the ball means to make a mistake, normally by doing something stupid or careless.
Number 4.
I think it's time to buy a new car. This is too old to drive.
Wanting a new car is one thing, paying for it is a whole different kettle of fish.
A different kettle of fish means something is very different from the subject being spoken about.
Number 5.
When I'm in the beach, I'm happy as a pig in muck.
She thinks she is a pig?
No, Michael. Happy as pig in muck is used to say that you are very happy and serene. The phrase also conveys the fact that you are in your favorite place or particularly at ease.
Number 6.
Where is my brownie? Michael, did you see my last brownie?
If you think it was me that ate the last brownie, you're barking up the wrong tree.
Do I look like a dog?
James, you ate all the brownies yesterday. Can't you remember?
Ha ha. My bad.
Barking up the wrong tree means to suggest a mistaken conclusion.
Number 7.
What do you think of George?
George thinks he's so clever, he's got such a chip on his shoulder.
Oh, Michael. A chip on your shoulder means you're holding a grudge against someone, which is causing you to be in a bad mood. The phrase can also mean that someone is entitled or full of themselves.
Number 8.
Michael's house is really nice.
Yeah, he is from such a wealthy family. He was born with a silver spoon in his mouth.
Silver spoon. My mother didn't tell me about that.
Ha ha ha, Michael. Born with a silver spoon in your mouth is used to say that the person does not deserve their inherited privilege.
Number 9.
Hi, Ain.
Hi, Michael.
You look tired.
I've been on a wild goose chase this morning, trying to find a birthday gift for James.
So, James like wild goose?
No, Michael. Wild goose chase is a way of describing a hopeless search or pursuit of something unattainable.
Number 10.
Michael, why do you look sad?
I accidentally let the cat out of the bag and told Ain about her surprise birthday party.
What?
To let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret either deliberately or inadvertently.
Number 11.
Wow! This is the best adventure of my life.
Michael, you are supposed to be in the desert now. What are you doing here?
This navigation app is the greatest thing since sliced bread. I could find my way back home quickly.
Wow.
The greatest thing since sliced bread means something is a particularly innovative or useful invention.
Number 12.
James, why did you postpone the party?
My mother-in-law is so sensitive. When she comes to stay, I feel like I'm walking on eggshells.
On eggshells? Is that a new game?
No, Michael. Walking on eggshells is used to say that you are being careful not to offend anyone, normally because of a delicate or sensitive social situation.
Number 13.
Michael.
Hi James, how's your day?
Just stop beating around the bush and tell me what's wrong.
My classmates laughed at me, saying that I ask stupid questions.
Oh, don't worry, Michael. They are just jealous of you. Beat around the bush means avoiding or delaying talking about a difficult topic.
Number 14.
I want to try it.
You have to practice before doing it. Wait. What's that smell? When did you get a shower? You shower once in a blue moon, right?
James, stop that. Once in a blue moon means do it very infrequently. Blue moon is the second full moon within one calendar month, generally happens once in around 32 months.
Number 15.
Ain, what's wrong with you?
I am not well. My head is going to burst.
Oh dear.
If this headache continues, I'm going to die. There are loads of things I want to do before I kick the bucket.
I can do it for you.
No, Michael. To kick the bucket is an informal way of saying to die.
Share this video with those of your friends who like English phrases as much as you do. Remember to press the like button and click subscribe. This way you will make sure that you have access to many more cool videos on the Ed with Fun channel.